I'm Josh, and this is just the tip.
Alright guys, I'm tired of listening to you guys talk about chewing up battery leads. So watch this. This here and this here have got to be secured when you Velcro this thing to your quad. Now, I use some of that Joshua Bardwell Kyoto gel pad stuff to help keep my battery still when I put it on, but that's beside the point. When I put my battery on, I make sure that all the little cables and things are secured underneath the Velcro straps. So, even though your cables may not be coming off your quad the same way, the same concepts apply. Secure your shit. So I usually do this, then I'll plug this in, and then I'll take my last Velcro strap here, and with it plugged in, I will secure that as well. Oh, something escaped. I'll also put this secured under the Velcro strap too. If you do this, and you get all this stuff secured, you will never chew up a battery lead or a balance lead again. Happy crashing.